Hello guys, you already know that I have been on and off since like almost over a year now. I think some of y'all know that and some of y'all don't know that, but I have been really trying my best to get out of it. But I think I'm ready because at the end of the day, it's all about the people you're surrounded with, and I'm really feeling much better and happy and much better. So it is Sunday and I'm currently having my brunch. It is obviously pasta. You guys know I love pasta. And what's the better way to start a video? Even though my room is like a whole mess, I have kept my towel. Wait, I just realized that I kept my towel on the bed. Like, that is just not me, guys. That you can clearly see I am like a mess right now. And if you see my, that is just not me, guys. I need to somehow fix this and just fix this as well. I'm just gonna set a timer and also play some songs in the meantime. If you haven't heard the new album yet, what are you doing? What are you eating? I'm also planning to change the location of my bed and keep it on the other side of the wall. It's a very tiny change, but I think rearranging the room can change the whole vibe of my mood. Going out in a bit right now, but before we go out I just need to clear this mess up, and while we do that I'm just gonna answer a few of your guys' questions, and these questions are like super random, which I got from YouTube comment section and then also on my Instagram. If you're not following, go follow. Okay, so one of the most common questions which I got was like, what am I studying? So I recently got done with my studies. I did my MBA in business management. In my bachelor's I did marketing specialization, but the fun part about this whole thing was that I was doing it through distance learning, so I was not really going to college or getting that college student vibe experience. And the next question was, what is my dream job? So I'm not really sure. I just want to be happy, and if you don't know that, I'm working right now. I'm doing a full-time job, plus I was doing my distance MBA, which is kind of considered as part-time, but now that I'm done with that, I am just working full-time. And if you want to know how long I've been working, it's almost been like 2+ years. I've been working 2.5 years. That was one of the most important questions a lot of you guys wanted to know. I do have a lot more questions, and you guys comment down below some more questions which I'll keep answering in the coming next vlogs. This is the fit which I was wearing right now, and then that's mom's outfit. She's wearing a one piece.
And always oil your hair.
No, do not oil your hair. You can, it's your choice. Yeah, so she has oiled up her hair.
Yes.
I usually never apply oil, but let's go. We have a lot of work. Let's go. Mom, are you excited?
Yes.
And guys, I am back home. I was just about to go shower. I literally forgot that I'm vlogging, but yes, I got all the stuff. Yes, I'm just gonna quickly give you guys a haul because I think then later I'll just procrastinate and then you guys will never be able to see what all I got. This is the first one. This is the Too Faced On The Fly eyeshadow palette. I just loved all the colors. It's just so pretty. Then I got this Benefit mascara, which is like in a mini version, but I'm really excited to try because I already did try it and I loved it. And then the next thing is Smashbox concealer and foundation. I have always been like a Maybelline L'Oreal girly, but then the lady who was selling, she recommended that Smashbox is much better, so I'm just gonna try it. And then we got Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray, which is like, oh my god, it was like a dream, but it is really nice. I've heard so good things about it. And then next we have this mini brow pencil from Benefit. Oh my god, I literally sound like a makeup like guru. Oh my god, I'm giving you guys a makeup haul. I cannot believe it. I'm just gonna try these products out because if I'm allergic to any one of them, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Obviously I'm gonna give it to my mom. I'm not gonna waste it, but yes, I'm excited, but at the same time very scared. And then most importantly guys, this is super viral. This is Flora Tint Benefit cheek and lip tint. Oh, I cannot do this. You can clearly see this, but yes, this is super famous. She told me I am so not aware about all this stuff. I'm really not into this makeup stuff, so guys, please ignore if I'm not able to do this haul properly. And then last but not least, guys, this is oil infused Bobbi Brown gloss. I wanted to try this for so long. Like in general, I wanted to try gloss specifically from Bobbi Brown because I have seen so many videos and I really wanted to try. Even my friend uses it, so I really wanted to try this, so I'm excited. Hey, let's go. Oh my god, that's literally all the stuff which I got. I hope this works on my skin. Right now we are going to get some gifts and balloons and everything, all the sass. Yeah, I got everything, whatever I wanted. Also my dad is getting the other stuff like the cake and all. I just really hope he gets like aesthetic cake because all the stuff which I've got is like super aesthetic. This is not the fit, but I'm just wearing it for a while, even though it's like super hot right now, but I'm still wearing it just to give you that, not you guys, but like I felt it, so I really wanted to wear it. Ignore this, guys. Now that I told you, I know you can't ignore it, but please ignore it. I know, I'm just a human, it happens, okay? As you saw, guys, we got everything and I have done all the decoration. Not I mean obviously my dad and I'm gonna show you guys the decoration. It's like super beautiful. I'm just gonna quickly give you like a whole overview of everything. Oh, let me know how do I look. I'm also wearing a lipstick, which I told you guys in the last vlog that I'm trying that, but we're gonna Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. कसं वाटलं? Birthday dress for birthday girl. It's my mom's favorite color, by the way, guys. Don't cry. I don't cry. Yeah, blue is her favorite color and we have never arranged like a blue theme. So that's why. I think you guys got an overview about the whole decor. This is like golden. Hey, kaisa hai? We have something very special. This, which I arranged myself with my own hand.
Wow.
This is felicitation. Look at that. And then we have our favorite red velvet cake. I mean my favorite, and I think mom also loves it. And even the tag is blue, if you can see the happy birthday tag. So it's like a whole theme going on. Blue, blue, blue.
My most favorite.
All the balloons. And then over here we made the whole changes and the grey aesthetic.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Now it's time to open some gifts. Are you excited?
I'm having cheese.
Yes. Yeah, guys, it's not red velvet, by the way. It's like cheese red velvet cake. Yeah, it's really good. I think it's gonna look good on me as well. You know, guys, I'm gonna be wearing this in the next vlog. Yay! This is the next. Yay! This is kind of the same one, but in a different color. Yay! This is basically your birthday dress. So if you feel like you can change it and wear this one. So I want you to wear it like a birthday dress in case you don't want to wear the black one.
Okay, I'll wear this one.
Yes, because this is like, I love this, guys. This is so cute. I'm gonna wear this as well. And then we have this. We also have that dress, if you guys saw, the blue one, just to match the whole aesthetic. But yeah.
हा कोणाकडून आहे?
Me. This is the next. I really wanted a white
From
shoes.
Monday.
I'm so happy. Oh my god. White and pink, like if you guys know.
From
Thank
Monday.
you, Ai, for the gifts. And that is the outfit, guys. The birthday outfit. This is how I look. Oh my god, I'm obsessed like with the whole makeup and the lipstick. Oh my god. And that's my dad's that's my dad's outfit. Black and white. And that's my mom's the birthday dress which I gifted her. You look really good, like guys, look at that dress. Also, this dress used to be like so tight, but now it's like super loose because if you guys don't know, I started going to the gym, so I think it's clearly working because look at that. But yeah, let's go. Hi, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm obsessed with her outfit. not me looking at pizza on my phone. And guys, we are done. Oh my god, I'm just having the last ice cream. So yeah, mom, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
And yeah guys, that's all the things which happened after my mom's birthday. It's almost June now. I've been MIA for like more than a month now. Comment down below, as I said, all the questions. I'm gonna overshare now a lot, so you guys comment down below all the questions and let me know. If you don't have any questions, just let me know how your day is and how your week has been in general. Let me know, comment, whatever, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and bye.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear